Welcome. Today we are continuing with English paper 3 and we are looking at the optional text. Question 3a. The novel Kazuo Ishuguro, an artist of the floating world. Noriko's marriage negotiations have been used as a means to reveal Ono's past. Justify statement using illustrations from the novel Artist of the Floating World. So this is the introduction. When you're answering, Noriko's marriage negotiations have been used as a means to reveal Ono's past. Noriko marries through a traditional arranged marriage, even while Japan goes through a period of rapid economic growth and westernization. The negotiations, then, are a useful way to show how Japan has remained familiar to Ono in certain ways while transforming with overwhelming speed in others. During the marriage negotiation with Saito, after he realizes that Misuo is a student at Wamachi College, where Mr. Kurudo is now teaching, he confesses to have actively been involved in castigating the war. He confesses that though he was doing it in good faith, his painting and teaching were to be blamed on the many young men that died. After the marriage negotiation with Miyake's collapsed, Setsuko suggests to her father to explore his past, which could have been the cause of the collapsed negotiation. Setsuko is unconvinced by her father's theory that Miyake was to blame. She feels her father's past is to blame. 3. Ono pays a visit to Kuroda to make peace and have an assurance that Kuroda will not say anything negative about him. We learn that Kuroda and Ono were old acquaintances. Ono is to blame for the predicament that befell Kuroda. After effortless tracing where Kuroda lives, he met with Echi, who is living with Kuroda. He is thrown out by Echi when he realizes he is Ono. Ono is believed to have betrayed Kuroda during the war, which made him suffer in jail. Four. It is during Noriko's second marriage negotiation that Ono pays a visit to Masuda. Masuda is also an old acquaintance and he needs his assurance to talk good. Masuda knows of his past, was actively involved in war through his painting and teaching. Ono is seen as a traitor, but Masuda assures him that he has only the best of things to report of him about the past. During the marriage negotiations with Saitos, Ono freely talked about his past. He says that people like himself are responsible for the terrible things that happened to the nation. He freely admits he made mistakes in the past. His past mistakes were part of an influence that resulted in untold suffering for his own people. Conclusion. In conclusion, the negotiation necessities interviews with people from Ono's past so that even as the story moves forward, it helps cast the novel backward. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also let me know what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.